Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can practice live Instagram. So here I've already on the Instagram apps, and if you want to start practicing live, you can just click swipe it to the right until this camera pop up, and then at the bottom just swipe it until you on the live tab here. And to practice your live, you can just click on this audience options, and here there are two options, public and also practice, and you can just go practice. So in practice you can go live by yourself or with others to practice, and nobody will notify, and you can change the audience when you are ready. So after that you can just click on set audience, and in here if you want to start practicing you can just click on this camera here. Okay, so you are now a practice live, and if you want to add a guest you can just click on this and find or you can just click on this and search for the person that you want to invite to join. And after that, when you're ready, you can just go live uh, after that. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment, and last, please click on the thanks below. I would really appreciate that. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.